Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your WeTransfer account in 2026. If you no longer use WeTransfer or want to permanently close your account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the WeTransfer website. Sign in to the account that you want to delete using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select **settings** and scroll to the **account** section. Here you'll find options for managing your account information and privacy settings. Look for the option labeled *delete account** or close account**. Click the delete option. WeTransfer may display a warning explaining that deleting your account is permanent and that your stored files, transfers, and account data may be removed. Read the information carefully before continuing. If you're sure you want to proceed, click Continue ** or Delete Account **. For security purposes, you may be asked to enter your password again or verify your identity using a confirmation code sent to your email. After completing the verification, click Confirm Delete **. Wait a few moments while WeTransfer processes your request. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message, and you may also receive a confirmation email. If you have an active paid subscription, make sure to cancel it before deleting your account to avoid future automatic renewals.